Hello everyone. We from Group 3 presenting our academic project entitled Factor Influencing the Efficiency of Zakat Collection in Malaysia.
Hello, my name is Nur Syatirah, binti Mohd Norazman, and my matrix number is 061072.
Nama saya Nur Farah Shahira binti Norhisham, nama matrik 060609.
Nur Farah Atiqah binti Zainudin, my matric number is 061044.
My name Ros Serinah Fitri binti Nurdin, matric number 061077.
My name is Mama Afiq Idham bin Mama Johari, matric number 061034.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Haeikal Faruqi bin Azhar, and my matric number is 060676.
Malaysia is a Muslim country that had a lot of success in terms of economic development as well as social development. Zakat's objective is to maintain economic balance in society, ensuring that wealth is distributed evenly from affluent to poor. Failure to observe or disregard zakat is equal to denying one's.
There are three research objectives. First is to know the total collection of the asnaf eligible in Malaysia. Second, to identify the factors that influence the effectiveness of zakat collection management. And third, to identify the trend of zakat collection for every state.
Numerous research questions that guide our research project, which are, first and foremost, how much of the total collection must be provided to asnaf eligible individuals? Next, what factors affect the efficacy of zakat collection management? Lastly, what are the zakat collection trends in each state?
Due to lack of law enforcement, the payer of zakat is not prevented from paying the individual eligible to receive zakat funds directly. This is because the issue arises whether all asnaf receive the zakat. In order to increase efficiency in zakat collection in Malaysia, zakat institutions need to examine the number of active zakat payers, household income and gross domestic product (GDP) per capita.
There are 6 overview for the literature review in this research paper, including roles of zakat to alleviate poverty in Malaysia. Next, managing zakat through institutions. The efficiency of zakat institution. Besides, motivation of paying zakat in Malaysia. Problem and issues of zakat institutions in Malaysia. Lastly, the impact of zakat development towards economic growth.
Next, in methods based on research design, we currently using secondary data and quantitative methods to collect data. In the other research we also using statistical analysis, which mean the first methods that used to perform the statistical analysis is mean, which is more commonly referred to as the average, and also we were using precise result. In this section based on the data description we can see that it have been divided into 2 dependent, which is independent and dependent variables. For the dependent variables is zakat collection efficiency, while for the independent variables is gross domestic product per capita, income household and also zakat payers. Lastly, in method based on data collection, these data collected from Jabatan Wakaf, Zakat and Haji, or known as Johari. Also next is Department of Statistic Malaysia, and after that is Baitul Mal.
In this significant of study, this research can identify the level of household income of the zakat payers. Besides, this research can identify the gross domestic product, GDP, per capita that can affect the zakat payers in paying zakat. This research can improve the zakat payers' collection based on household income, gross domestic product, GDP, per capita, and zakat payer.
Findings. 1. Descriptive statistics. Table 1 shows that the result has 60 observations. The highest mean, median and standard deviation are from the zakat collection, which are 19.05963, 18.92893 and 0.69641884. It shows that the zakat collection significantly influences the people to increase efficiency in zakat collection in Malaysia. 2. Correlation analysis. According to the data in Table 2, the household income is shown to have a positive correlation of value 0.6899 with the zakat collection value. GDP per capita has a positive correlation of 0.4590 to the zakat collection value due to the value clause at O+1. Zakat payer has a positive correlation of 0.2648 to the zakat collection. The p-value is 0.000, and it shows that the value of a zakat collection is strongly correlated with its level of household income, GDP, per capita, and zakat payer, which has a significant relationship with the zakat collection value. 3. Regression analysis. The household income coefficient is 2.585. It is predicted that the zakat collection will decline by 258.51% for every 1% rise in household income. The zakat payer coefficient value is 0.4541. It predicts that for every 1% increase in the zakat payer, there will be a 45.41% decrease in zakat collection. In this situation, the probability value is 0.005. The GDP coefficient is -0.6530. There will be a 65.3% decrease in the zakat collection. In this situation, the probability value is 0.007.
Based on the findings, the result of this study is to completely fulfill the objectives that had been examined properly. This is because all of the three variables, which are zakat payer, household income and gross domestic product, GDP, per capita, were able to fulfill the objective, which was positive and significant relationship. The results show that these three independent variables significantly influence the people to increase efficiency in zakat collection in Malaysia that bring to fulfill the objectives made due to the limitations of the study.
This study indicates that zakat collection is contingent on the zakat payer, household income, and state GDP. As a result, we can distinguish that different individuals will contribute different amounts of zakat collecting since they do not have the same degree of income, work, or lifestyle.